Not sure where we're going today. So the last time I was here, I did a downhill, I think, and I thought it was the Tower Loop. It turns out it wasn't, but somebody updated the Trail Forks map with the GPS, which is really cool because I was so confused going down, just thinking like, this isn't at all what Trail Forks described, but now it's marked. So we're just gonna go up here into probably to Beeline Road and then just come back out. Nice little easy ride. Now it is a dark part of the trail, but hopefully it's not underexposed. EV is set to minus 0.3. First gear. Fuck.